The SS American Racer was a C-4 class cargo ship built in 1964. Its unique feature was an engine automation system that allowed engine control directly from the wheelhouse.
Arriving in New York Harbor and ready for her maiden voyage to Europe is a freighter that foreshadows the future on the high seas. The American Racer is the nation's newest ship and the most automated ever built. Electronic devices on the bridge enable one man to control a master console in the engine room. That one man on deck handles the engines, boilers, and auxiliary equipment with push buttons. This and other labor-saving devices has cut the number of crew on a ship of this size from more than 50 to only 39 men. It is estimated that the saving in wages over the life of the ship will come to more than $2 million. The American Racer does 24 knots, making it one of the world's speediest cargo carriers. The commanding officers have printed analyses of every function of the ship. So, ready for her maiden voyage is the American Racer, a vessel designed to revolutionize the ships that sail the seas.